Artificial intelligence is transforming cybersecurity in ways we couldn't imagine just a few years ago. Hackers are using AI to make attacks faster, smarter, and harder to detect, while security teams are deploying AI to predict, detect, and stop threats before they even happen. Welcome back to Computer Hackers. Today, we are breaking down how AI is shaping the battlefield, what tools both sides are using, and what it means for the future of security. How hackers are using AI. Hackers are always quick to adopt new technology, and AI is no exception. With machine learning, attackers can analyze huge amounts of data, spot patterns, and adapt their strategies in real time. This allows them to automate attacks that used to take days or weeks, making them more efficient and more difficult to catch. Take phishing, for example. Traditional phishing involved sending generic emails to thousands of people, hoping a few would fall for it. Now, AI allows attackers to craft hyper-personalized emails by analyzing social media profiles, previous emails, and online behavior. These messages can mimic the tone of colleagues, bosses, or brands almost perfectly. The result is a phishing campaign that is far more convincing and much harder to detect. Social engineering attacks are evolving too. AI can gather massive amounts of publicly available information and predict how a target might respond. AI chatbots can engage in conversations, adapt to answers, and manipulate victims in real time. This makes attacks scalable and highly effective, which is why social engineering remains one of the most dangerous threats. Malware has also leveled up. AI-powered malware can adapt to the environment it infects, changing its behavior to evade detection. Traditional antivirus systems rely on known signatures to identify threats. But AI malware can generate countless variations automatically, making each instance unique and much harder to stop. Reconnaissance is another area where AI shines. Gathering information on targets used to be time-consuming, but machine learning can scan networks, public databases, and even leaked data to identify weaknesses in hours instead of weeks. AI accelerates planning and allows hackers to launch highly targeted attacks with precision. How security teams are fighting back. It's not all bad news. Security teams are using AI to detect threats faster, respond more effectively, and even predict attacks before they happen. Traditional cybersecurity relied heavily on rules and signatures, which meant new or sophisticated attacks could slip through unnoticed. AI changes that by learning what normal behavior looks like on a network and flagging anomalies as soon as they appear. Agent-based detection systems are becoming standard in enterprise security. These AI agents constantly monitor endpoints, looking for anything out of the ordinary. They can isolate compromised systems, alert security teams, and even start remediation automatically. This rapid response can mean the difference between a minor incident and a full-scale breach. Automated penetration testing is also changing the game. Instead of weeks of manual testing, AI tools can scan entire networks in hours, identify vulnerabilities, and prioritize them based on potential impact. This gives security teams actionable insights faster than ever and helps them stay ahead of attackers. Anomaly detection is particularly important in this AI-driven environment. Since attackers can constantly generate new malware or phishing messages, traditional signatures aren't enough. Machine learning models can detect deviations in behavior, such as unusual login activity, strange network traffic, or unexpected file movements. This allows defenders to catch attacks that might otherwise go unnoticed. AI is also enhancing threat intelligence. Security teams can process enormous amounts of threat data, correlate incidents across organizations, and predict potential attacks. This proactive approach allows defenders to anticipate threats rather than simply react to them. Offensive AI tools. Hackers are not just automating old attacks. They are creating entirely new ones. Generative AI can craft malware, phishing emails, and even social engineering scripts autonomously. Instead of manually building a payload, attackers input a few parameters and let AI create a sophisticated, evasive attack. Deepfakes are another tool in the attacker's arsenal. Realistic audio or video impersonations of executives or colleagues can trick victims into sharing credentials or approving fraudulent transactions. AI makes these attacks convincing because it mimics human behavior almost perfectly. Even ransomware is benefiting from AI. Machine learning algorithms can analyze a victim's network, determine which files are most critical, and target systems to maximize impact. This automation increases efficiency and puts additional pressure on victims to pay quickly. Reconnaissance has become faster and smarter with AI. Attackers can continuously monitor the internet for vulnerable systems, identify weak points, and prioritize targets based on value. This automation allows hackers to plan and execute campaigns at an unprecedented scale. Defensive AI and practice defenders are fighting fire with fire. AI-driven platforms integrate multiple layers of security, combining behavior analysis, automated response, and predictive capabilities. Endpoint detection and response systems use machine learning to continuously monitor behavior and flag anomalies before they escalate. Automated incident response platforms take it further by correlating alerts from multiple sources, determining real threats, and executing containment actions automatically. This is crucial when facing AI-powered attacks that move faster than humans can react. Security orchestration tools use AI to streamline repetitive tasks, freeing up analysts to focus on complex investigations. This allows teams to process more data, respond faster, and make better-informed decisions. Some companies even run AI-powered red teams that autonomously simulate attacks against themselves, identifying weaknesses that human testers might miss. This proactive approach strengthens defenses and prepares organizations for real-world attacks. The AI arms race. What we are seeing is a full-blown AI arms race in cybersecurity. Attackers use AI to increase scale, speed, and sophistication, while defenders use AI to detect, predict, and stop attacks faster. Each advancement by one side drives innovation on the other, creating a constant cycle of escalation. Phishing emails become more convincing, and detection algorithms become more precise. Malware adapts its behavior, and anomaly detection models become smarter. Every new AI-powered attack pushes defenders to innovate, while every defensive improvement drives attackers to find new techniques. Ethics also play a role. AI can be incredibly powerful, but in the wrong hands, it can disrupt critical infrastructure, steal sensitive data, or manipulate public opinion. Defenders must also secure AI systems against adversarial attacks, where attackers intentionally feed false data to trick machine learning models. Skills for AI-enhanced cybersecurity careers. For anyone entering cybersecurity today, technical skills alone are not enough. Professionals need a combination of traditional security knowledge and AI/ML expertise. Understanding networks, operating systems, and threat hunting remains critical. But familiarity with machine learning, data analysis, and automation frameworks is now equally important. Certifications are evolving as well. Traditional credentials like CISSP, CISM, and CEH remain valuable, but specialized programs in AI for cybersecurity are emerging. Knowing how to train machine learning models, implement anomaly detection, and automate defenses is increasingly in demand. Hands-on experience is crucial. Labs that simulate AI-powered attacks and defenses give professionals a practical understanding of these technologies. Capture the flag competitions with AI elements also provide real-world scenarios to build skills and confidence. Preparing for the future. AI has changed the rules of the game. Attackers are faster, smarter, and more automated. Defenders are predictive, intelligent, and capable of responding at machine speed. The cybersecurity landscape is evolving rapidly, and organizations that fail to integrate AI into their defenses risk falling behind. For professionals, the message is clear. Mastering both traditional cybersecurity skills and AI tools is no longer optional. Staying ahead of attackers requires continuous learning, hands-on practice, and a deep understanding of how AI can be used both offensively and defensively. The future of cybersecurity will be defined by how effectively we can combine human expertise with AI-driven automation. Those who can do this will be able to anticipate attacks, respond faster than ever, and secure critical systems in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. Final thoughts. Artificial intelligence has fundamentally changed cybersecurity. Attacks are faster, more sophisticated, and highly automated, while defenses are smarter, more predictive, and capable of autonomous response. The balance of power constantly shifts as each side innovates. Understanding these dynamics is essential for anyone in the field or anyone who uses digital technology today. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone curious about technology, knowing how AI influences both attacks and defenses will give you a significant advantage. By mastering the tools, strategies, and techniques on both sides, you can prepare for the next generation of cyber battles. The future of cybersecurity is AI-driven. Staying informed and building expertise today is the best way to protect yourself and your organization tomorrow. If you are interested in more deep dives into hacking, AI, and cybersecurity strategies, subscribe to Computer Hackers for the latest insights, tutorials, and real-world examples. The future of cybersecurity is AI-driven, and staying informed today is the best way to stay secure tomorrow.